Hello, have a nice day to you all. I am Dr. E. Cynthia Judith Gnanaselvi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, V.V. Vanniperumal College for Women, Virudhunagar. In this video, we see about the conditional statements in C programming. The conditional statements are used to evaluate one or more conditions and make a decision of whether the set of statements are executed or not. These conditional statements are also called as decision-making statements. In real life also, we met these types of conditional statements in some situations. This is a real life example of a conditional statement. If it is raining, then we will not go outside. These are all the types of conditional statements: if else, nested if and else if ladder. First we see about the simple if statement. This is the most simple if statement. We have to use to decide whether a certain statement or block of statements are executed or not. First we check the condition. If the condition is true, then a block of statements are executed. Otherwise nothing will be executed. This is the syntax and flow diagram of simple if statement. This is the simple example of simple if statement. In this example, we have two integer variables, num1 and num2. Num1 has the value of 1 and num2 has the value of 2. We check the condition, num1 is less than num2. Here the condition is true, so the output num1 is smaller than num2 is displayed. Next we see about the if else statement. The simple if statement only consider the true block. So suppose if the condition is false, what can we do? Here comes the if else statement. These if else statements are used to perform two operations for a single condition. These if else statements contains two blocks. One is true block and another one is false block. First the condition is checked. If the condition is true, then the true block statement will be executed. Otherwise, suppose if the condition is false, the false block statement will be executed. This is the syntax and flow diagram of if else statement. Next we see the simple example of if else statement. In this program, we check two variables. Which one is bigger? We get the input of two variables A and B. Here we give the input 67 for A and 98 for B. We check the condition if A is greater than B. Yes, B is bigger. So the output is displayed as B is bigger. Next we see about the nested if statement. Nested if statement means one if statement contains with another if statement. That is, one if statement plays within the another if statement. In this nested if statement, the execution starts from top to bottom. First the condition 1 is executed. If it is true, the statement 1 is executed. Next we check the condition 2. If it is true, the statement 2 will be executed. If the condition 2 is false, finally the statement 3 will be executed. This is the flow diagram of nested if statement. This is the example of nested if statement. In this program, we get three inputs A, B and C. From among these three variables, which one is bigger? We give the input of 67, 98 and 53 for the variables A, B and C. In this program, B is bigger. So we check the condition A with B and A with C. Finally the output B is bigger is displayed. Finally we see about the else if ladder. This is the extension of if else statement. This else if ladder is used to decide among multiple conditions. The else if ladder, in else if ladder statement, first condition is checked. If the first condition is true, the set of statements associated with that condition is executed. Suppose the condition 1 is false, it check says condition 2. Suppose that second condition is true, the associated block will be executed. Consequently, if it checks all the condition, suppose none of the condition is true, finally the else block will be executed. There are multiple if blocks, else if blocks will be possible in this else if ladder. This else if ladder is similar to switch case statements. These are all the types of else if ladder. This is the syntax of else if ladder. This is the flow diagram of else if ladder. This is an example of else if ladder. In this else if ladder program, we have to calculate the grade according to the given marks using the else if ladder. In this program, we gave the marks 91 for the variable marks. If it is checked, finally the output of A plus grade will be displayed. These are all the types of conditional statements in C programming. Thank you.